Among the gifts of nature, the humble banana stands out not just for its delicious taste, but for the wide range of health benefits it offers. The banana, although simple in appearance, has been a dietary staple across the world for centuries, cherished not only by athletes in need of an energy boost, but also by families looking for a convenient, nutritious snack. Rich in vital nutrients and packed with natural sweetness, bananas are far more than an everyday fruit. They are a powerhouse of wellness, supporting the body in more ways than one might imagine. One of the banana's most recognized benefits is its impressive concentration of potassium. Potassium is an essential mineral that plays a central role in maintaining heart health, balancing fluids, and ensuring the smooth operation of muscles and nerves. A single medium banana provides roughly 400 milligrams of potassium, making it an excellent choice for those aiming to manage their blood pressure naturally. Regular consumption of bananas has been linked to a reduced risk of stroke and heart disease, as this mineral helps counterbalance the effects of sodium in the body and protects against hypertension. But the health support from bananas does not end with potassium. These golden fruits are also a significant source of dietary fiber, particularly in the form of pectin and resistant starch. Fiber is an essential part of healthy digestion. By including bananas in your everyday meals, you support a well-functioning digestive system. The soluble fiber in bananas helps to slow the emptying of the stomach, creating a sense of fullness and sustaining balanced blood sugar levels. For those struggling with constipation, bananas can provide gentle relief, as the pectin and water content helps soften the stool and support regularity. Bananas are an excellent choice for natural energy. Unlike energy drinks or sugary snacks that lead to rapid spikes and crashes, bananas offer a unique blend of natural sugars, sucrose, fructose, and glucose, combined with fiber, allowing the body to utilize energy gradually over time. This makes bananas a perfect pre- or post-workout snack for athletes and active individuals, fueling the body and speeding up muscle recovery. The vitamin content of bananas is equally noteworthy. They are abundant in vitamin B6, a nutrient involved in over 100 vital processes in the body. Vitamin B6 aids in the creation of neurotransmitters in the brain, supports the metabolism of protein and carbohydrates, and contributes to the formation of hemoglobin. A single banana covers about a quarter of your daily vitamin B6 needs, making it an efficient and tasty way to support brain health and overall well-being. Bananas also offer robust antioxidant protection. Within their creamy flesh are compounds such as dopamine and catechins, phytonutrients that help fight inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. These antioxidants play a key role in reducing the damage from free radicals, which are linked to aging and the development of many chronic diseases, including some forms of cancer. By including bananas in your routine, you support your body in its natural fight against these invisible threats. For individuals watching their weight, bananas are an excellent snack. While sweet and satisfying, bananas are relatively low in calories. One medium fruit typically contains just over 100 calories. Their fiber content not only helps you feel full for longer, reducing the urge for less healthy snacks, but also helps manage cholesterol levels and keeps the digestive system healthy. The benefits of bananas extend to mood and mental health as well. Bananas contain tryptophan, an amino acid that the body turns into serotonin, the chemical responsible for happiness and relaxation. Consuming bananas may help elevate your mood and even aid in managing symptoms of depression and anxiety. Beyond the physical and emotional body, bananas support gut health. Green or unripe bananas are particularly rich in resistant starch, which helps feed the beneficial bacteria in the gut. A healthy gut microbiome has been linked to improved immunity, better digestion, and even reduced risk of many diseases. Thus, bananas can be a beneficial addition for anyone seeking to support their overall digestive ecosystem. In children, bananas make for an ideal food. The soft texture is gentle for young mouths, and the natural sweetness appeals to even picky eaters. Packed with vitamins and minerals, bananas support the healthy growth and development of bones, muscles, and the nervous system. For the elderly, bananas' easy-to-digest fibers and nutrients help maintain energy, support cardiac health, and contribute to the preservation of muscle strength as we age. Pregnant women can also benefit significantly from bananas. The fruit's high folate content is important for fetal development and reduces the risk of birth defects. Additionally, the vitamin B6 found in bananas may help ease morning sickness and nausea, making it a gentle and nutritious option for expectant mothers. It's not just the flesh of the banana that holds value. The banana peel, often discarded, is packed with additional nutrients and beneficial compounds. Certain cultures incorporate banana peels into their cooking for additional fiber and antioxidants, further expanding the fruit's health advantages. While bananas are mostly known for their internal health support, they also offer benefits for skin and hair. The antioxidants, vitamins, and moisture in bananas have long made them a favorite ingredient in home remedies for softening and brightening the skin, or providing nourishment to dry hair. Despite their many benefits, it's important to remember that moderation is key in any diet. For people with certain health conditions, such as kidney disease, excessive potassium intake might be problematic, making it vital to consult with a healthcare professional when considering dietary changes. In summary, bananas are more than just a convenient snack or breakfast addition. They are a truly versatile fruit, offering significant benefits for the heart, digestive system, muscles, brain, and beyond. Whether enjoyed on their own, blended into a smoothie, sliced atop cereal, or baked into wholesome treats, bananas easily find their place in a healthy, balanced diet. By understanding and appreciating the many ways bananas nurture the body, we can make them a regular and valued part of our lives, harnessing nature's simple gift for our ongoing health and happiness.